How to stop other people from seeing when you've read their LinkedIn messages. Here's how to turn off delivery on your iPhone or Android device. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Next, tap Settings. Now, tap Data Privacy. Scroll down and tap Delivery and Typing Indicators. You'll see a toggle for delivery and typing indicators. Simply turn the toggle off. Your changes will be saved automatically. Keep in mind that when you turn off delivery and typing indicators, you also won't be able to see when other people have read your messages or when they're typing. And that's it. You've successfully turned off delivery on LinkedIn messages. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips, app tutorials, and career advice.